Today we're thrilled to introduce you to the smartphones, the Motorola Moto G54. With its exceptional features, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design, this phone is set to redefine your mobile experience. So, let's dive right in. The Moto G54 boasts a sleek and elegant design that's both modern and functional. It's impressively thin at just 8.9 mm and weighs in at 192 grams, making it incredibly comfortable to hold. The phone features a glass front and a sturdy plastic back and frame, ensuring durability without compromising on aesthetics. Worried about spills and splashes? Don't be. The Moto G54 comes with a water-repellent design, adding an extra layer of protection to your device. So, you can use it worry-free, rain or shine. Now, let's talk about the display. The Moto G54 features a stunning 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, you'll enjoy vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for gaming, streaming, or browsing. Running the show is Android 13, the latest and greatest from the Android world. It offers a seamless and user-friendly experience, with access to all the apps and features you love. Under the hood, the Moto G54 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, built on the 6nm process. With an octa-core CPU and a powerful GPU, this phone delivers smooth multitasking and exceptional gaming performance. Worried about running out of storage? With options for 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your photos, videos, and apps. Plus, there's support for microSD cards if you need even more room. Capture the world in all its glory with the Moto G54's impressive camera system. The dual rear cameras, featuring a 50MP wide lens and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, ensure that your photos are detailed and vibrant. The 16MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. With features like LED flash, HDR, and panorama mode, your photos will truly stand out. And for video enthusiasts, you can shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Whether it's epic landscapes or family gatherings, the Moto G54 has you covered. Enjoy your media and content with crystal clear sound. The Moto G54 comes equipped with stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. And yes, it retains the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. Plus, with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS, you'll always know where you're headed. And yes, there's FM radio for those who love to tune in. Powering all these features is a massive 6000 mAh battery, ensuring that your Moto G54 lasts all day and beyond. And when it's time to recharge, the 33W wired charging gets you to 50% in just 33 minutes. Your security matters. That's why the Moto G54 features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. Plus, with sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass, your phone adapts to your needs. Express yourself with style. The Moto G54 comes in a range of attractive colors, including midnight blue, pearl blue, and mint green. Find the one that matches your personality. In conclusion, the Motorola Moto G54 is a powerhouse of innovation, combining style, performance, and affordability. With its impressive camera capabilities, powerful hardware, and stunning display, it's the smartphone you've been waiting for. Stay tuned for its release in September 2023 and get ready to unleash the future with the Moto G54. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the future of mobile technology.